上一期咱们讲到少数民族风情文化的新疆菜，这期咱们看看少数民族风情同样文化的贵州菜，就在楼上。
We're in the middle of metropolitan Shanghai, far away from the mountainous countryside of Guizhou, and the gastropub setting here might be a far cry from the rustic ambience out in the mountains, but I reckon this is enough of a first taste of the vibrant Qian cuisine for getting a first glimpse into the colorful fabric of Guizhou society woven by the various ethnic groups that have inhabited the Qian land for eons. One dish indicative of Guizhou's cultural diversity is suan tang yu, fish in sour soup.
海蛎蒜汤鱼the 海蛎 fish and sour soup. The 蒜汤鱼 fish and sour soup is a symbol of Guizhou cuisine, and the city of Haili is well known for it. Now there are two main camps. One is the Baishuan white sour, which uses fermented rice and is more associated with the Miao people. And the other is this Hongshuan, which uses fermented tomato. And it's more associated with the Dong people.
See that big bowl next to the big bowl of suan tang yu? That is Huaxi Huaxi beef noodles. Probably one of the most popular Guizhou dishes outside of Guizhou because it is a common food delivery item. Though Huaxi is well known among foodies, I'm guessing not many people know that it is also a tasty example of China's internal cultural exchange, involving none other than the Uyghurs. According to Guiyang's Tourism and Intangible Cultural Heritage Authorities, purportedly some Uyghurs migrated to Guiyang's Huaxi during the reign of Yongjing Emperor of Qing Dynasty, and they modified their beef noodles by replacing traditional wheat ones with those made from rice to cater to local taste preference.
Huaxi Huaxi beef noodles, specifically rice noodles. So we got beef, we got rice noodles, we got bone broth. Sounds like the recipe for pho, doesn't it? What we love pho. We had like 13 bowls in 5 meals in 5 days in HCMC. But this is different from pho and delicious in different ways.
If you are a rice noodle slurper, hit that like. Other than Guizhou Province's Huaxi Hunan Province has Changde another type of beef and rice noodles. Hainan Province is home to various rice noodles, and we sampled a slew of them in Sanya. Guangdong Province is also famous for its huge arsenal of rice noodles, one or some of which likely gave rise to the Vietnamese pho. Guangxi Province is infamous for the notoriously stinky and addictive Wo river snail noodles. Shanxi Province's Hanzhong has mianpi, Taiwan Province has dinbian chuo, Yunnan Province has crossing the bridge noodles, etc. China has a vast array of rice noodles to slurp on, and Guizhou cuisine has a vast array of other delights in addition to suan tang yu and nurofen. I didn't even get to speak about dipping sauce, a hallmark of Guizhou fare, for another video for another time. 再见!